Hey everyone, we are at the square at the new office. Today we are doing a test setup for an art installation for the city of Lawrenceville. The city is putting on a program, I believe they called it Beats on the Streets, or they're going to call it Beats on the Streets. It's going to take place over the summer, and what they're going to do is put art in different storefronts around the square. They asked if we'd be a part of it. I said we can absolutely do that. So what we have here is this will be the glass painting that goes in the back of the office. And right now we've printed it as a test on paper. And it's also about 1/3 of the size of the final glass painting. But the idea is we have this installation where you look through these goggles. And when you look through these goggles, it's a very different experience than seen with the naked eye. What happens is the red filters out the blue and you get a different painting. You can see it there. So there it is with the red, and then there it is when you're just viewing it with your regular eye. This is a viewfinder from around 1900. It follows some of our design, research, and theory that we've been incorporating in different projects. You guys have heard us talk about representing 3D architecture in the 2D world of photographs. And we've been kind of exploring it here, and that's what we're doing. But it's just a really neat experience to see it actually work. I am having a little bit of trouble when we print it on glass. We don't get quite the same experience. It's just not filtering out as well. This is filtering out real well right now. So it does well on paper, but we got to do some more test prints on glass. I'll walk around back and show you guys the courtyard and how we're going to set that up. We're out back of the office now in what will be, I guess, our 2 parking spaces. What you have in front of you is the courtyard wall, and in this wall you have this slit. And what we're going to do is within this opening, we're going to place the viewfinder. And then through the viewfinder, you're going to see the glass painting that will be in the distance. And if you guys have followed any of the videos, what we did is we set the courtyard up on Marcel Duchamp's last project, which was a temps donné. He worked on it in secret for 20 years. And it's really this amazing experience looking through these 2 peepholes into this 3D setting that he's created. So right here in front of you is what is called a camera obscura. So if you ever did any pinhole photography, this is the actual camera. And then we've got our surface, our film surface, which is the windows. And then behind that is our setting with the glass painting. But what we did is we framed everything, the landscape over on the left, and the gargoyle up here on the right, and the fountain. All of it is derived from that project. So as you walk down through here, you'll come in the back door and you'll encounter the painting on your left. Really is going to be nice. The guys have started hanging some of the lights. What we did is we put those in a diagonal, so they should overlap when we take that photograph from the single vantage point. So everything is oriented towards that specific view, and that follows a lot of the thinking that we've been trying to do on the past few projects, especially some of our libraries. All right, that's it for the tour of the office, or I guess it's the tour of the art installation that'll be at the office. You guys stay tuned for more videos. It's really starting to get to an exciting point where you are putting in a lot of the finished pieces, and you can really start to see the space and feel the space. You guys take care. We'll see you next time. Bye.